Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today I'm going to show you my Katuk plants. Katuk has a lot of leaves and they are good looking this time of the year. They have fruits, so I want to show you the flowers and also the fruits. Also, Katuk is very beneficial. You can eat the leaves, also you can eat the fruits. The leaves have a lot of proteins. I don't know about the fruits. The fruits are not that tasty, but they're good looking. Let me show you. This is what the plant looks like. They don't grow really tall. This is about probably 5.5 feet. And look. Those little things are flowers, and of course that's the fruit. Here's another one. It's a really good looking plant, so it's nice to have in your garden. They don't grow really tall and it's easy to grow. Actually, you can just grow it from a cutting. Look at that. There are many flowers. There's some more fruits over here. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? There are not that many fruits. See what they look like. And they pretty? I think they're pretty. On top, it looks like a flower. And you can eat this. It doesn't have any taste, which is pretty bland. Like you're eating cucumber, or it reminds me of cauliflower. No taste. I have two of them. The other one is here. This one is not as tall as the other one. You see the fruits? Look at that. Again, looking at the top, that looks pretty. It does have a black seed, but it's not very hard at all. Here's another one. This one tastes better. I'm sure the fruit also has protein. I'll check and find out. But I know for sure the leaves are full of protein. So you can make smoothies. You can put it in salad also. Actually, I like the leaves better than the fruit. The leaves are tastier. They are nutty. Fruits don't have any taste. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. You're also welcome to watch my other video over here or All right. Thank you. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.